Let's say you're running a marketing, your team is running a marketing. Okay, this is what CSV form looks like after I have downloaded. But the difference is just that I just need to enlarge. Once I enlarge that, I'm good to go. I can upload it into any software I want to upload it. I can upload it into Salesforce, into MailerLite, into HubSpot. Now, let's say we have your company is running an email marketing, they are into email marketing. This is how you can also use Salesforce for email marketing, but we'll not be touching that so that I don't get you all confused. So let's move over to contacts. This Salesforce is a very busy, confusing um software, but see, it's something you can do. Here, I want to add contacts of people I want to call, I want to reach out to. Or maybe my company, they work with a lot of contacts, like mostly most real estate company, they work with like a lot of contacts. Now, let's say your company now wants to upload all their contacts together. Now, I don't have any contacts, so will not be I won't be showing you guys, but it's still like how it was for leads. This is still like adding your leads. This is where you add it manually. New contact, you want to add a new person into your company, like a prospective employer. Let me say, Mister, a prospective employer. You want to add them. Good. Their account name. Can it be? This record looks like an existing record because I already have my name. Let me just put, what do I use? Let me put, okay, and next. Account name, new account. What name?
Mm,
This not really, I'll leave that. Or account name, let me just say new contact, new partnership, new partner, contact. Title, Miss, Mr. Okay, sorry. Me, I have to choose new account. This is like a whole lot of job, and I don't want to do that because it's going to take my time. Report to, who am I reporting to? This, like, you have to still keep filling and filling. You fill the other one, you still come and fill this one. That's like, we are going to be jumping that. Then you describe what is this is okay for partnership opportunity, for partnership opportunity. Then for here, I'm just going to say, but I don't think I'll be able, this thing will not save since it really just have like my, let me try if it to save. I know it will not. I have to fill those other ones, but I will not be doing that because that's like a long journey. But this is how to add new contacts. If you don't want to add new contacts manually because it takes time, you can also upload, because your company definitely has a like a list of all their contacts. They have a list of people they contact, their partners. You just upload it just the way we uploaded this CSV. You just upload it that way. I won't be like finishing that. I'll just to just be like just a brief Google. That's like, this is going to waste my time, but we're just going to jump that. But this is like contact events. let's, let's leave that. But this is confirm. But here, that is how you add new contact, new company's contact into your Salesforce, so that you're able to reach out to these people either through calls, through emails, any of it. These people are not leads. Unlike the other one where you have your leads, these are not leads. Those are like maybe companies, partners that you just want to reach out to, and all of it. Now you're going to be moving over to accounts. Maybe your company, they accept payments one time or the other. This is how you'll be doing that. Just their account name, their phone number, their website, their billing city, which is the state they are from. I'm in Lagos. Their billing state and province. Okay, Keja, this account owner, definitely that's me. So all of this is just, it's this for Salesforce, it is segregated so that you know that okay, I'm reaching out to leads, I'm reaching out to contacts, I'm reaching out to those in my account, those I have to pay. This is also for sales. This sales is still like, okay, this is for my leads, those I've reached out to. If I had already uploaded a contact, this maybe I want to reach out to those on my contact email account. I want to reach out to those on my account. Now if you work as an account manager, which is also one of the tech sales role, you're definitely going to be making, not definitely, but um 90% of the time you're going to be making use of Salesforce opportunities. That's like opportunities where I can sell to these people. What are the opportunities? This, you will list them down. You can use your manual, you can import them. The product, what am I selling? My company offers software products and also offers partnership products. I would impute it. Okay, this particular person, I'm offering this product. If you're also working with an e-commerce, somebody that is into e-commerce sales, yes, you're good to go. The book, the price, like this is a whole lot. This is like a whole lot. But I just want you to have an idea of what Salesforce is, so that when you get into a company that uses Salesforce, it's not hard for you to navigate through it. And then all of these things also depend on the company you're working with, but you just need a basic idea of what it feels like to work with these people. Yeah, if I want to book an event, this is like just like Calendly, just what we did at Calendly and what we did at Google Calendar. You want to schedule a new event for a lead, you just do that here. But this is like straight to the point. No time for, no, you're not wasting time. That's why these people make use of Salesforce, because of how easy it is. Now, yeah, most of these things, this one for service, it is mostly for customer support, not even mostly. Service on Salesforce is for customer support and customer service. Now, if you can, I'll give an example. Maybe you reach out to MTN. Maybe you're having an issue with your data on MTN. When you call their customer service, you would always notice that they send you an email afterwards telling you your ticket number. Now, if you're working with a company as a customer support, when people reach out to you, now it mustn't be MTN, it can be any of this any of these companies that maybe they have a lot of customers that they cannot attend to one person at a time. When they have all these cases, it is called cases. Now you are going to be, when you've spoken to somebody, you've done that, you're going to be uploading it here, but you upload it manually. The subject, why did this person call? Did they call for missed data? When you do this, when you save, it's going to generate a ticket. It is that ticket you're going to like send when this person reaches out to the company and says, okay, I don't have, my problem hasn't been sorted out. You're going to use that ticket number to search for them. This is why you have case number. That's where I'm just calling it ticket number because that's the like name I am used to, but you can call it case number. Salesforce calls it case number. This is the person's name. I called MTN because I have an issue. Yeah, you're going to see a good Chidima. Yeah, the subject. What is the subject? My data stopped connecting. What is the status? Now, the status is where you choose, is this problem solved or not? Because I do not have a no data there. That's why. Yeah, click test, it's not solved. Wrap, it has been wrapped, everything is solved. Is it a priority? A priority. This is where you choose, is this immediate? Do I need to attend to this problem immediately, or is this something I can shift for another time? That's where you choose the priority. so that you know that this is where, as a customer support, if it's an important case, you have to like reach out to the customer, get their issue sorted out. If it's not, you attend to those that are most important. Now, which date where was the company called? If I called MTN today, the date will show here, because like the customer support is going to impute it. If I called at 2 o'clock, the time will be shown here. This is why you see the date and the time opened. That open simply means, when did I make my complaint, when did I place a call. The case owner, who is the case owner, who is handling this issue. Maybe in your company you have like five customer support, because there are a lot of customers that are coming in with one query or the other. Now, everybody, the company is going to add all customer support. You add me, Chidima, you add Similenyi, you add Sadiq, you add everybody. Now, when you're handling a particular case, the case owner will show your name. You see case owner Chidima, case owner Timileyi, case owner Blessing, case owner Sadiq. Anybody that is handling that case, this is where it's automatically going to show. Now, this analytics, it's not really showing because I have not done any stuff. But if I had already reached out to some persons, I am going to be seeing, like, it's going to be like what's it called? It's going to be like what are these things called? Like a graph. You're going to be seeing a graph, the numbers of a dashboard, yes. You're going to be seeing like a dashboard, the amount of persons I reached out to, the cases I solved, the cases that are pending, just the way graph is dashboard is, that's what you're going to be seeing. So this is really when you start working as a customer support already, you're going to naturally see there when you started like resolving issues. So let's move over to, let me just look at cases. This is e-commerce. This is also, it's still the same thing. If any company you're working with is into e-commerce, they have a store. E-commerce like Amazon, eBay, Jumia, all of it, they can make use of this. Yeah, they are just going to like get it, create store, do a lot of things. What are you selling? All of it. I am not going to dive deep into this one because this is not your job. This is something the company you're going to be working with, if they are into e-commerce, they're going to be doing that. Your business just has to be like the lead and all of it. There, yes, to generate Canva, that's not important. And